Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. We're doing a free post today. Nothing on this post costs me any money. Everything you see here I've already had for some time, and nothing is new. That's why it's free, because Grandma has already used it in the past. This is Winter Wonderland 3-tier tray. I thought it turned out pretty good, and it shows the winter, doesn't it? We'll start from the very top, the beautiful pale pink trees and reindeers, and of course, look at the little snow girl. Isn't she cute? With her cute little gloves and her cute little scarf and hat, and a snowball in hand. Where is she going to throw it? Thought it turned out pretty nice. The next tray is another snowman, and thought he is pretty cute, and you see we have the little pink in his little cheeks too. He's a little cold, it looks like, and all the beautiful green and pink and silver accessories. Does it not look beautiful? Chocolate lovers wine. Doesn't that sound tasty? And then our third shelf. I thought this one looks really pretty too. All the beautiful silver and white and accessories, and a little ballerina also. Isn't she so cute? And the pine cones look like they have snow on them and ice. I really love them so much. Then we have this beautiful white tray with these beautiful silver accessories, like there's ice crystals on it also. And you can see the candlelight reflecting in them. And then looks like snow and ice on this pine cone also for winter. And more candlelight reflecting. We also have these beautiful candlesticks of mine that are crystal, and the candlelight reflecting off of it, and the snowballs on top of each one. Isn't it glorious? The tablecloth is also in silver and gray. The gray table background and silver snowflakes sprinkled all about. And then of course the tray everything is setting on looks almost like little ice crystals too, doesn't it? Everything reflecting back so beautifully. And then of course our beautiful, beautiful snow princess here with her beautiful velvet hat and her feathers in her cap, and around her neck is a beautiful fur piece. And look at those cute little pink cheeks and her cute little carrot nose and her beautiful red ribbon in her hat. So beautiful, isn't she? And then of course we have this beautiful red velvet purse. Oh my gosh, isn't she the prettiest thing? That was a gift from one of my coworkers a couple years back. I couldn't believe the beautiful things that she gave me. Oh, I thought this turned out really well. What do you think? This is Winter Wonderland, and you see all the beautiful snow and ice of winter, and everyone wearing their little mufflers around their neck to try to stay warm, and the candlelight reflecting. Now let's turn the light off and see what it looks like. Oh, isn't it beautiful? I just love how it looks. The light now, you can really see it reflecting up. Even is glistening, shining off the pretty candle holders and the snow lady's dress. See the flickering of the candlelight. Oh, I love it so. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite piece or thing I talked about in Winter Wonderland. Leave it in the comment section. Kisses and hugs to the very end if you stayed this far. I really have enjoyed seeing you here. It means the world to me. So, hope to see you again soon. Don't forget, my channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, miniature gardening, cooking, cleaning, shopping hauls, shout out, inspirational talks, DIY projects, or anything else Grandma might come up with. Bye for now, my awesome friend.